Okay, traffic brokers, aspiring list builders, right? Affiliate marketers, MLMers, entrepreneurs, guys. In this video, I'm actually going to do a Leads Leap review. I'm actually going to do another review on Leads Leap. It's my new Leads Leap review video series where I talk about all things Leads Leap, guys. And in this video, as I do this Leads Leap review, guys, I want to talk about why Leads Leap can literally be the gift that just simply keeps on giving in terms of building your list and creating your own automated marketing systems and creating your own automated marketing campaigns and anything list building related, traffic lead generation centered, right? You can do all of those things inside of Leads Lead. It really, truly is the gift that keeps on giving. And one of the things that I want to highlight in this video is the fact that you can go out and start creating unlimited lead capture pages. Well, so let's just look at it. This is just a few of the things you can do. I'm actually building my new funnel, or my actual 2.0 version funnel of my new Rock the Funnel series inside of this whole platform, guys. Okay, now, of course, I use other softwares, but this is probably some of the simplest and easiest to use. And you get to create unlimited landing pages. You get to create unlimited email list subscribers, which is unheard of. 10 pro ads are free. That's we're talking about the paid, the upgraded version inside of Leads Leap right now, but free buyer traffic and up to 50% commissions. But even if you are a free member, Leads Leap is just one of those platforms. It's one of those resources. I just think that every internet marketer or any internet marketer who wants to scale their business, wants to grow their business, who wants to add a new touch to their business, just in terms of just not just branding, but being able to control your messaging, your marketing. You know, we talk a lot about that in the honing your internet marketing skills and owning the process video series that I do here on YouTube, right? So as you think about those types of things, you always want to be looking for new, creative, and innovative ways to go in and do it. And so I decided, guys, to jump inside of Leads Leap because, I mean, really, I could go on and on and on and on and on just in terms of doing these lead reviews. But so that you can really understand that this can only enhance your existing business if you have one. And if you want to build one, you want to grow one, you want to scale one, then again, this is just one of those places where you can go and start doing it. All from one platform. Right now, oftentimes, you know, we have to go into different platforms to access different resources or tools to market our businesses, right? Well, you know, inside of Leads Leap, guys, you can start building your own email list if that's something you want to do. Or if you already have a list and you want to build a bigger list, you can do it inside of Leads Leap. If you have never created your own lead capture pages and you really wanted to start honing your internet marketing skills and give yourself a little more latitude in terms of the creativity, you know, for creators particularly. And then you can build all kinds of capture pages. Well, let me just show you guys. If inside of Leads Leap, guys, when I first saw it, I really, I don't know. I know, and I'm being honest, I know I had it for a year before I really realized the awesome power of what I actually had instant access to. And the reason I'm doing this Leads Leap review is because sometimes we miss the forest for the trees, right? Just let me give you an example. The fact that you can create unlimited lead capture pages, right? Then that's free or paid. um, that in and of itself was something that I missed when I was first presented with Leads Leap, because I will tell you guys, I've never paid less than uh, $25 a month for any lead capture page creation software. And even if I did, sometimes I still have to go somewhere else to get an autoresponder, for instance, which you can actually get inside of Leads Leap too. Now, I will say you won't be able to create a follow-up email drip campaign inside of Leads Leap, but you can create a list. But as a pro member, you can create a follow-up emails. And for those of you who would come in, let's just say you came in at a free level, then you still would have the capability of sending what's known as an email broadcast, which means you can still build that list and send a broadcast to that list anytime that you want. So you're on your dashboard and you just have advertising, and you have those free ads, we call credit ads inside of the platform. And you have pro ads, which is 10 banner ads inside of the actual pro membership. You can do reviews, guys, on your products, right? You can do reviews on any product that you want. And I know I mentioned it in another video, and I'm going to mention it again, is the fact that the Leads Leap right? That website, this platform has a lot of authority just in terms of search engine optimization. I can't ever pronounce that word. But so as you do these reviews inside of Leads.Leap, your reviews are not only seen across the platform of over 170,000 members inside of the Leads.Leap membership, but it's also actually it's capable of being found in the search engines as well. So if you have a product that you're really happy about, you're excited about it, then you can simply go in here, guys, and do a social review. And that review will live on the actual platform. I don't even know if you're limited to the amount that you can do. Let me see. Social review is a platform for you to share your good, bad experience. You'll see it all here. Either way, you can write up reviews inside of here, right? Guys, you got link tracking. Anybody know anything about link tracking? You know, sometimes, even if it's $10 a month, guys, a lot of times, you know, there's a price involved with a good link tracker. Well, you know, not in, with Leads.Leap, guys, you get the link tracking. Now you get rotators. I just canceled a subscription I actually had for a rotator that I had. Now, it was a great rotator. I loved it, but I was paying $12 a month for it, guys. Well, I get to create rotators inside of the Leads.Leap platform, you know, whether I'm a free or paid member. And that's priceless, right? Of course, you guys, you know, we got the page builder and the page manager. I'm going to jump over there for a minute. I want to show you guys something. But we're going to just continue talking about the phone pop-ups. I know you guys have seen that, where you log into an actual lead capture page and you're on the page. And sometimes, and before you exit that page, sometimes you'll get a pop-up, you know, something, an additional bonus or something else that you might be interested in. I don't particularly like pop-ups because I think they're kind of distracting sometimes. And if I'm trying to bring someone into, you know, one capture page, sometimes too much is too much, you know what I mean? So, but you actually will have the ability to create pop-up, those little pop-up lead capture pages or forms inside of these pages as well as you create them, guys. And so, you know, you got a cookie generator, right? You got, I mean, I'm not going to try to go through it all because it's too much to go through, but I will say not even, I don't think a month ago, they just introduced the traffic co-op. You know, if you guys saw a video on YouTube, you should be excited about that just by itself, and the way that it works and the way that you're able to generate more leads and more traffic. Actually, well, we'll talk more about that because I'm really liking that. But anyway, so you have the capability of doing all these things inside of Leads.Leap, right? And I don't know, I think, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, it's somewhere in the neighborhood of like, I want to say $19 a month, right? It changes sometimes. I think it goes to 30, but this is depending on when you're seeing this ad and what type of promotion they have going on at that time to become a pro member. But whether you pro or paid or free, really doesn't matter. Well, I should say it doesn't matter because you're able to do more as a pro member, but you're still going to be able to do the same things as a free member as you would be able to do as a pro member, just not as extensively, if that makes sense, right? So it doesn't matter. When I say it doesn't matter, I mean, you still can get inside the Leads.Leap platform. Now I'm going to go to the page builder for a second, page manager, and just start doing whatever it is you want to do. Again, you could have an existing business, and you just might want to create a different type of capture page for your business because, you know, maybe the one you got, sometimes they get a little oversaturated just in terms of the generic sort of standard capture pages that everybody get when they join a particular business app. So you can come inside Leads.Leap and create your own, not only campaigns, I mean, you can create your own lead capture page, your own landing page. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. We're going to go to create a campaign, and I'm going to call it the lead. I'm just going to call it LL review, right? Because this is a Leads.Leap review. So I'm just going to call that LL reviews, and I'm going to hit add new. And when you do that, at that point in time, guys, you can go inside of Leads.Leap and start creating whatever you want. So now that you created a name, which I call LL review, you guys can see that. Let's go to add a new campaign, because you would always have to do that, and you'd have to name that too, because you would you know, you can identify the pages, you can, you know, speak specifically to whatever that particular audience is, whatever you're doing, but then you would add that new campaign as well after you did that. And then when you did that, guys, now you're actually literally ready to go in and start creating. And what do I mean? So you added a new campaign, right? There it is. You see what the name of it is, right? I got 2 pages I just added. And so at that point in time, let's just go. I'm gonna go. I need a share code. No, I don't need a share code, guys, because what I'm gonna do is there's no page available there. Of course it's not, because what I'm gonna do is I always have to make sure the page is active, number one. But secondly, guys, once I go in and start creating these pages, I got to add a new page to start. Now, if you were using a share code, which I'm not doing in this instance, I'm just simply going in to show you guys how you can start creating your own lead capture pages. And you would click. And so when those share codes come into play, which are great too for duplication and replication in terms of growing our teams, right? But we're going to come over to the left where it says add a blank page. And when you go there, guys, once again, you get to come in and you get to actually create and edit and design any type of pages that you want. So let's call this LL Reviews 3 because it's the third page that I just created, because that's all you would really need. Hold on, edit the campaign. Okay, let's call it LL Reviews 3, right? And so because I want to go in and create a page now, right? So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna see, can I get back if I can. Okay, let's go back to my page manager. Okay, no, I don't have to do that. So here we are, right? So now, guys, that I've done that and I want to create either that page, I would go here and it would bring up a series of pages for me. And I keep doing this. But that's just me being excited, guys. I would actually go to, I added the new page. Where am I at? Add a new page to start. That's just one. We're going to go here. We're going to go there. And I know I named it, so why can't I get inside? Hello. Okay, I think we're coming. I don't need that created. Let's go back to that page that I just created. Or actually, an easier way to go is to just launch the editor and go to the pages. I'm so sorry, guys, if I seem like I was kind of off track. I do this stuff with my eyes closed sometime, and I just know where to go and do it. But if you got, this is how you get there, guys, okay? And I'm so excited as I'm doing this video. I just want to give you, make the screen, okay. So I just want to give you guys an idea of what you can do, right? So you can create the page is already created. You can just go in and simply pick the page that you want, go in and edit the page any way that you want to edit the page. And it's not just lead capture pages, guys, okay? Because we got the thank you pages. I'm going to click, and there's the different variety of thank you pages that you have. You know, you got sales pages. You know, you can go in and do that, guys, and then you can download. You got a page right here. You know, guys, a lot of times, particularly if you are you're a digital marketer, and most of us are, then you can create pages for downloads, for gifts, or even training, right, that you're giving away. It could even be a download that actually redirects to your primary business. But what I'm saying is you have all types of pages inside of the actual Leas platform that you can go out and use to speak to you and your personality, to speak directly to your particular audience in any way you choose, because you get to change the verbiage, the captions inside of these lead capture pages. And you got, of course, video sales pages, right? And you got all of the types of things that you guys kind of stand over my shoulder and kind of watch me do. And I'm gonna tell you, at first glance, it may seem like a lot and it's complicated, guys, but really, when I say I can do it with my eyes closed, well, one eye closed, and I shouldn't even do that with my dyslexia and the fact that I actually suffer from glaucoma. But if I really wanted to, I could do it with just one eye, because it's just that simple. And once you start creating these types of pages, once you start setting up your own automated list building campaigns, if that's what you, again, if list building is what you want to do, it doesn't matter. This is a great platform to be in, where all the resources, all the tools, and then some are all housed in one location. So it, in essence, gives you the ability to go out to start your own business, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, whatever type of entrepreneur you are. You're going to find a tool and a resources inside of these that you could use if you just want to get more creative with your capture pages or your landing pages, or you want to create your own video sales systems, funnels, right? Like I like to do. Then you actually have the latitude to be able to do that too. Everything, anything you could possibly want to do as a digital marketer, as an internet marketer, as an entrepreneur of any stripe, through any niche, doesn't matter. You can do it inside of Leas. And I just stayed on this page because I figured, why not stay on this page and let you guys actually see, right? Once you are, you have access to this type of thing, you literally can become a product of the product. You literally can speak your own success into existence because you own the process, guys. And by the way, you're actually honing your internet marketing skills, right? Right through the process. Wow. It's a great time to be an entrepreneur. It's a great time to be a digital marketer. It's a great time to be in a place or in a space where you're ready, where you're willing, where you're capable, and you're able of learning some things you never knew. And as a member of Leas, free or paid, you can do it. Thanks for sitting in, guys. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland. I appreciate you guys so very much. Let's get hot. Let's make it happen. If Leas is something that you're interested in, guys, you'll find a link below this video or in the YouTube video description. All right, go ahead on, guys. Lock in your free account and let's get hot.